What's your name?
My name is Rapunzel.
Rapunzel?
How about you were a mean queen and you wanted to have my hair?
Why don't you give me that hair, Rapunzel?
No! No!
You give it to me right now.
No, don't!
I'm gonna rip it off your head.
And in the morning you did. Hi there, I'm back. I'm back.
Rapunzel, I need your hair.
No. And I was sleeping right here and you took it off.
I took it off?
Yeah.
I think she's asleep. I'm gonna steal her hair. Ready? Go. She'll never know.
That's in my hair! You ripped it off, evil queen! Why did you rip it off? Now I look like a freak!
Oh!